Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, welcome all of you to another new video. So in the previous video we saw how we can move and draw the snake. So in today's video we are going to see, how can we detect the collision of snake and whether the snake has eaten the food or not. So without further delay, let's start the video. So first of all we are going to see how we can detect collision of snake. And after that we will see whether the snake has eaten the food after drawing the food or not. So guys, our collision function is working very well, so let's now see how we can draw food. And how will affection eat food and how will its length increase after eating food. So for this we have to create a food array and we have to give any one value to food.x and food.y. After that, create a function called drawFood which will change the value of food x and food y every time the snake has eaten the food. Now after completing this function, we have to come to the move function. Now inside the move function, we have to create a condition which will check whether the x, y values of the food are matching with the x, y values of the head. If it is, then add one more head to the snake array and call the drawFood function, which will add a new body to the snake. So guys, our function is working, but sometimes the food is being drawn over the snake. So to fix this we have to make some changes in the code. So to fix this, we have to enter the drawFood function, and we will have to make some changes in this function. Now after doing this we have to come to the condition of food eat, which is inside the move function, and we have to put another condition inside the for loop, which will check if the values of food x and food y match any part of the snake. We'll call the drawFood function again, and this will change the value of the food again. So guys, our snake game is almost done, so let's see the final result. That's all in today's video. In the next video we will complete our game, so see you in another new video. Till then, bye, and those who have not subscribed to the channel yet, do so.